So we have just seen that you can echo values into the proc.sys file system to change parameters that your system is working with. Now, echoing these values in works pretty cool, but there's one disadvantage. You reboot, they're gone. And that is why there is sysctl. So the idea of sysctl is that it is sitting behind the proc.sys file system and it automates stuff for you. So you are going to put your parameters in sysctl.conf or in the related directory, which is sysctl.d. This is just a directory that contains a bunch of files that are going to be included. Now, these parameters are read by sysctl, and sysctl writes them to the proc.sys file system. And that is cool because it means that on a reboot they will get back automatically. Also, the sysctl command gives some pretty neat features like sysctl-a, which allows you to get an overview of all the parameters that exist. There are also some arguments that you can use with sysctl to modify the contents of the proc.sys file system and the contents of the file at the same time. But I think it's a bad idea to do that. If you're doing performance optimization, I think it's always good to write the parameters first to the proc.sys file system by doing echo. Because if you make a mistake, you reboot and they're gone and you can start all over. And if you write them immediately and you make a mistake and you aren't aware of the mistake immediately, it can be pretty hard to get it away. So first, echo the values into the proc.sys file system. Then do your testing. And if your testing is all right, you're gonna do it in the sysctl.conf file to automate them. And in the next sub lesson, I will show you how to do that from the command line.